Hello, hello everybody. Thank you so much for joining today's live session. So today is going to be a very interesting one. I'm going to speak about a trade that I personally took today and lost. Okay. There were two other trades opportunity that actually went in my favor, but unfortunately I didn't enter them lah. All right. So these are the ones. These are the two lah. Right now, actually, is a good time we are live streaming because new session already just started. Okay, and I'm seeing sellers come in. Overall, the push was actually towards the buy side because the buyers bulls were actually present in this London session lah. Okay, but so far I'm seeing sellers lah. But the thing is, this is also almost to the end side of London. Okay, and then right now only we're starting New York. Okay, basically 9:30. All right. So I'm seeing a push to the downside. I want to see how mitigation gets respected or disrespected here. All right. Based on that, only we'll be able to really understand who is in control. But so far, I'm seeing bears coming in as of now. Okay. If you guys don't mind, before we go into today's fruitful session of how I actually lost in this trade, okay, what was my bias, what did I do wrong, okay, and then what I should have done, okay. All right, so we will go through this. I hope actually what I share today will also benefit you guys so that you won't potentially make the same mistake that I did today. All right, so yeah, my name is Guna. All right, as an intro, hi, my name is Guna. I've been trading for the past 3 years now. As you can see, even I mentioned 3 years or so, I still do make mistakes like this time to time. So, but that's trading, right? Okay, there's never always sunshine and rainbows. Okay, before a rainbow, a storm must come first. All right. So this loss wasn't that bad lah. It was around like three digits the loss, yeah, in USD. But then I was still okay with it because I closed it earlier because I kind of realized things were not going as planned. All right. And there were certain things that I should have checked first, which I personally always teach you guys and I personally always tell myself, but today I didn't. I also took this trade outside of my home office. Usually I take trades when I'm at home, but that's not the main purpose. That's not the main reason. Actually, this was my mistake of one very simple thing. Okay, which we will go through later on. All right, in hopes that you guys will learn from this and not do the same mistakes in your personal trading. Okay, let me go and get a glass of water. You guys keep an eye out for this mitigation zone. Okay, let's see if these sellers are really present or how. If they are, okay, potentially price could be moving like to this zone where I put the TP right now, or we could be taking out London low, guys. Okay, there's a potential here. Okay, so for now, give me a moment, enjoy the music. I'll be back. hello. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, so I never did my intro properly. So, oh yeah, guys, sellers are present. As we can see, it didn't come into mitigation. Sellers are quite strong. Okay, but still there's a chance for price to come into mitigation. All right, we will see lah if there's any live potential entry models that we can actually give out here lah. All right, hold on, guys, one moment. Lah. Wait, let me do some analysis. You guys enjoy the music, and I'll do my intro. Okay, one moment. Guys, look at price. Already gonna go to our TP Zoom. Never even allow us to enter. Okay, so sellers are basically present now, as we can see. Okay, never mind. We just wait and see if there are any other opportunities enough for us to enter the market. All right. So basically, this trade is a win, but just it never gives us the opportunity to enter. All right. So back to my intro. Hi. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining today's live session. My name is Guna. I have been trading for the past 3 years. Okay. And then I have this very big goal and ambition to basically help build a lot of genuine traders, okay, who are really, really interested to become traders and put all of us in a single room. Basically, is my Discord community, which is 100% free to join, so that we can grow and help each other become much, much, much more stronger traders now. So we're not doing this alone, but basically we're doing this in a group of people that have the similar goals and think alike. Okay, because being in the correct environment, it is so important, because I personally experienced this myself, whereby when I was able to really meet actual traders, real genuine traders, just hanging out with them, okay, not really going through really in-depth trading strategies or whatnot lah, but my trading instantly improved just because we think alike, we share the same goals, our energies were aligned. Just because of this, my trading became better. Okay, so when I realized the power and benefit that this brought to me personally, I realized how much that it can actually bring to society as well, for those that are really interested to change their life, to really become a trader, right? To escape that 9 to 5 hustle. Yeah, so that's the reason why we have this free Discord community, whereby we are putting a lot of genuine traders inside to create an environment for those that are truly interested into trading. And you don't really have to know any knowledge about trading. That's not the point. The point is to put you in the environment so that you can learn faster, be able to adapt to certain things, and really just speed up your progress into becoming the trader you always want to become. Okay, If that sounds interesting and you guys are genuinely interested to become a trader, please do not forget to click the link in the description that where it says Discord, and that will automatically lead you into that Discord community. All right. Also, if you have not liked and subscribed to the channel, please do, because we do live streams like this breaking down potential trade entries, a market structure, basically my predictions and the reason why market is moving in such a way. We do this almost daily, guys. Okay, all of this is giving out for free. So if you are genuinely interested in trading and seriously want to become a trader, all right, please do subscribe. That is our goal. That is personally my goal now. All right. So let's go into today's session, guys. Let me just set an alarm here. Yeah, I want to see how market reacts if market comes into this zone. Okay. So as the title said, yes, I actually faced a loss today. It was actually this straight here, that where I put the beautiful arrow. Okay. So let me break it down. Okay, so obviously now you can see here, okay, let me zoom it in a bit. Obviously you can see this is a sell trade, right? Let me lock this out so it won't move it. This is okay, all right. This is a sell trade, okay. Before I share with you my reasonings of why I actually went for a sell here, okay, I need to jump back a little to what I saw in Asia session. So that's how usually I start off, right? So in my Asia session, all right, especially after I went through my bigger time frame buyers and everything, right? Okay, I start to realize that market took out a certain point of liquidity, all right, and then market start to move below, all right. So this is my indication for me that who is present in the market, guys? Sellers are present. Okay, so this gives me a bias whereby it is mentioning to me, not mentioning, it is clearly stating to me that hi, sellers are here, bears are here, we are going to push the market down. Okay, fine, fair. I didn't get any trading opportunity because if you see, sellers were very aggressive, they were really strong. All right, there was no point for me to actually capture any trades, okay, for a sell. This could have been one because there was a finally not really a pullback that I would be looking for, because at least based on my TNC, this would be a level that I would like to see the pullback coming to, okay, prior to entering lah. All right, but it didn't lah. Okay, this would be the most ideal spot if I were to enter the market, and I would have aimed this low, which it would have went to TP, but of course like, I didn't enter in Asia. All right, we are all genuine traders here. Okay, nothing is a lie. I don't want to lie to you guys. It's basically Rubik's cube. Okay, hold on, guys. They say my streaming system has an issue. I'm not sure if you guys are still seeing me or not. Okay, let me just check. One moment. This happened a few weeks ago, so I think I'm still streaming. I think so. Let me see. Okay, I'm still streaming. That's a good thing. All right, all right, all right. Where was I? Where was I? Where was I? Oh yeah, okay. The thing that I mentioned in previous live sessions, I clearly stated even to myself as a reminder, okay, that always look at my bigger time frame bias, okay, because I want to see major zones that are very important based on my trading strategy. All right. What I didn't do today, can you guys guess? Basically, I never went through my bigger time frame bias. Okay, I did for Asia session. That's why I was able to actually identify that okay, sellers are actually present. I knew that the market will be moving down. I cannot say I know the market will be moving up to this point. I won't say that. All right, this is not what I'm saying. But I mentioned that I know the market will be moving down. All right. I will also do you guys a favor and show you guys that I mentioned this also in our Discord community. The moment when I start to notice that sellers were present in the market. Give me a moment now. Let me get that screenshot for you guys. Okay. Hold on. Things are loading up. Give me one moment, guys. Okay. 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 Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Let me paste it for you guys in the screen. Okay. So this is the one where I highlighted in our Discord community group at 12:11 p.m. All right. Basically, it was up to, let me see, 102, 102. Okay, basically it was this one here, guys. 102, yeah. Yeah, this one, this candle here. If any of you guys managed to enter for a sell after that, wow, congrats to you lah. Market really moved down a lot more lah after that. Yeah, really congrats to you. Okay. So basically, this was what I saw. I noticed that sellers were actually present. I also saw an SMT being formed. You see, all of these mitigation zones were not met. Okay, this is the reason why I didn't enter for Asia session. I was there, I was looking at the markets, but none of my mitigation except this one. If you guys realize this one here, all right. This is the only wait, hold on, where is my trading view? There's so many tabs now. Oh, so this is trading view, sorry. All right. This is the only zone. This one here, guys. Okay, I think this was in 1 minute the time when I was checking it out. Basically here, this was the only zone where I was able to identify. Mitigation was met and respected. All right, but unfortunately, as you can see in the screenshot, I actually was seeing price a bit too late already today, because I was looking at price when price was already here. So mitigation already crossed already. If I saw this, I would have entered for sale. But yeah, you can never really always catch a trend. Okay, hold on. I actually moved this away. Luckily, I noticed this. All right, guys. Price is almost to our mitigation zone. Let's wait and see how price will react. Let me also get ready my phone for a while for potential trade entry here. Okay, New York, even though we notice our sellers are present there, we must be aware that New York love to give, how to say, they love to give us a manipulation state first. So sometimes this big move down, the first one is not really the actual move. All right, sometimes it will just flip over. That's what New York tends to do. See this move like this, for example. All right, you see this move down here. All right, this move down, and then you see it flips. Yeah, sometimes New York tend to do this. So that's why we always put our safety net, basically is our fishing rod, our fishing bait. Okay, and we be fishermen and just wait for price to come into mitigation for us to understand further where is price potentially going to go. All right. So going back to our trade, okay. So my mistake was basically me not checking my bigger time frame buyers. I was so fixed only in looking at my smaller time frame buyers. I was also not in my home office at the time while I was trading. I was outside today visiting family, which was amazing. It was an amazing day. All right. But you see, I saw this as price actually taking out liquidity, and then price was moving below. But I did set a mitigation area here, but I did not see it being met. So no entry here. This was fine. But this was the one that I saw, oh, okay, there might be a potential here. Okay. And I saw these red candles here. Can you see the red candles here? Rejecting. I immediately entered from this candle here. And I saw, okay, price was rejecting. I was in profits. All right. I was in profits. All right. Then price went all the way up. But before price closed off, I actually exited my trade roughly here. Okay. I said just a bit only. I said, right, but I exited here because I started to realize, okay, price is disrespecting certain things. It shouldn't be this way. All right. Then after that, I realized, okay, actually, what I missed out. All right, this is what I missed out. Basically, my bigger time frame bias. You see, I then realized actually price took out liquidity rising in H1, and I'm seeing a form of rejection. Okay, what is that telling me when I'm seeing a form of rejection? So the form of rejection basically is informing me that this could be potentially a sign where it is showing me, hi, I'm a buyer, I'm bull. Okay, it does sound so cringy, sorry. Bulls are here, all right? Buyers are here. Buyers are present. They have put their footprint already inside of the market. I failed to see this because I was so fixed only at focusing on one single time frame. So this was my uh, how to say, a rookie mistake that I did today, which cost me about 3 digits today. Okay, yeah. So this was my mistake, and then this trade I was aiming to enter for a buy, but it didn't came into mitigation. This one came beautifully into mitigation. Actually, this one was happening during I was having an early dinner just now. So it came into mitigation, respected, all right, and then price continued to go all the way to the TP zone. Basically, this was my TP zone. Okay, this was a very beautiful trade. I didn't enter this trade also, unfortunately, because I was eating at the time. I didn't really focus on the trade. Yeah, but this is basically how I lost, guys. I lost because I made a rookie mistake. I went against the basic SOPs that I've set to myself, which I need to ensure that I do a checklist first prior to trade. Okay, so this is just me showing you proof, okay, that if you guys are trading, if you guys feel like, oh, I'm making so much of losses, or trading is not really coming very well for me, I'm not sure why. I've been trading for 3 years and I still sometimes make rookie mistakes. It is okay. All right, making a mistake, especially in trading, all right, if you make mistakes, is not the end of the world, guys. Okay, it will only be, I won't say end of the world, it's a bit too cringe already now. But it will only be the end of your own personal success if you choose to stop. Okay? Basically, if you choose to give up, that's all. Everybody makes mistakes, we all know this. It doesn't matter you've been trading for 10 years or 20 years, right? Even if you've been trading just for what? A week, a month, all right, it doesn't matter. Everybody makes mistakes. Just know that. Okay, just understand that everybody makes mistakes, and it is okay to make a mistake. It genuinely is okay to make a mistake. Don't make that. Don't put that too hard on yourself. All right. So guys, so this could be. Let's see, yeah, this could be a potential entry here. This could be a potential entry here. Ideal one will be here for sale. Okay. So basically, I just need to see how is price reacting. So far, price is reflecting it very nicely. Okay, inflation. All right. This will be my ideal, most favorite entry, and the one that I feel the most safe. Okay, but this could also be another entry. This is a little bit more risky entry. Okay, the risk is a lot higher. The reason why I say risk is a lot higher is basically because of your entry point. If I were to enter here, my stop loss would be roughly this zone. Okay, this would be my stop loss. So the stop loss range is much more, okay, a lot more compared to me placing an entry here. The stop loss is the same, but you see my risk to reward is also better. Okay, so I personally won't chase price, especially after today. I already had one loss, so I rather just choose to be patient for today. Okay, but this is a potential entry also, guys. Actually, this is also one potential entry. It just depends on how aggressive of a trader you personally are. But this is my ideal entry, and then we always want to see how is price respecting. Actually, alerts are on. Okay, alerts are on. Okay, let me turn off the alerts. Okay, alerts are on. Okay, now we want to wait and see, guys. How is price respected? What is price doing? You see, bulls are more present here. Is it respecting mitigation? What do you guys think? No, right? Does that mean this trade can hold or not? We have to wait and see. If it goes above this, no. See. Cannot. Because why? Remember, New York like to do manipulation. Okay? And the sellers that show themselves present was not really in New York range. It was in London range. Okay, now my next bias. Okay, let me see if I can see anything. Potentially, we may be seeing a continuation move to the upside. Okay, guys. So I'm seeing this liquidity being swept, mitigation being disrespected. Okay, bulls are showing their presence. This is no longer relevant to us. Okay, very beautiful candle. Okay, so now let me go and see where price potentially may be heading to. Okay, let me find and just mark stuff out. Potentially it may be taking out Asia high. Potentially it may be taking out Asia high. Let's just mark that out as H1, it'll be better, easy to refer to. This would be potentially our TP target. Okay, of course we gotta wait for candle to close. Okay, let me just cross check with ETH. What is ETH showing me? Sorry guys, ETH sign is a bit jammed really. Okay, sometimes it jams when I put two screens. Allow me to check this out, guys. Okay, I'm seeing a form of manipulation. This could be an SMT. The SMT, guys. So potentially we are going to look at price go quite high from here, right? Aiming for Asia high. That's what you guys can do for also lah. Just allow us to see more what this price doing. Let me also get ready. Right. This one is no longer relevant to us. I want to see how price respects this section. You know, mana guys, I put some music for you guys. This is intense, really. We're seeing some sort of reaction, but if you guys enter, it means it's fine. If not, means do not chase price. Okay, I personally have not yet. Look at price, look at price. This potentially is where price is heading to, or maybe even higher. What's the closest range of liquidity that I could look at now? So close, man, to mitigation. Potentially, right, we may be seeing this happen. Price could come to this zone and react. Okay, to take out H1. This could potentially happen. Or price could go below this and come to this zone. Alright. And then start to show some sort of reaction to go all the way up. This is if we are focusing on the buy side, but so far I'm seeing buyers lah, basically bulls lah in the market. Okay, in London session at the end I saw bears, all right, but then now I'm seeing bulls. So far, bulls are showing their presence in the market. So I don't truly believe that we'll be moving towards the downside, because also in the H1, but again I could be wrong also, but in H1, all right, what are we seeing, guys? If you guys picture back market structure, right? Okay, impulse, pullback, impulse, pullback. Right now we are at impulse, right? So potentially we may be looking for another impulse move up, if following market structure basis lah. All right, the foundation of market structure. So based on this, right, and the things that we are seeing right now, potentially on my side, right, for my trading strategy, this is showing me that buyers are actually here. Bulls are actually present in the market for New York session. After this mini manipulation that they actually created in the market. Okay, basically this mini manipulation here. But again, we have to wait and see lah. So today's live stream is basically waiting and seeing how price is going to react, and will price be coming to take out this H1 liquidity or not. Okay. I'll put some music so you guys won't get too bored. Let's watch it together. Okay, guys, potentially, we are looking at price making a pullback. To be honest, today, right, for today's these pullbacks, all right, is not as significant. The reason why is because you see, when sellers come in, they were very strong, and when buyers come in, they were very strong. This one is not a successful pullback. There was one successful pullback, which was this. This is the only successful pullback based on our trading strategy. Okay, and this is the one that I told you guys. If enter means would have went to TP. This is the only one successful pullback today. Overall, the sellers and the buyers are very aggressive today. Okay, let's see how price will react. Okay, let's see these guys. Let's see this. If you guys have any prediction, means you guys can leave in the chat. Huh? I'll be interested. I'll be interested to find out what you guys personally think. Okay, but I feel buyers are in. I feel bulls are in the market. Okay, because I can see the manipulation move down. I can see price taking out 15-minute liquidity. I can see price forming in foundation of a bullish trend. Foundation is very important. Right? I also put in three TPs, guys. So for 15-minute TP, with not 15-minute, basically the liquidity that I'm able to find in this time frame. So this TP1, TP2, and TP3. Let me point it out. TP1, TP2, TP3 lah. Because entry models, right? It depends on the trader, how aggressive you are. For me personally, I am more of a conservative trader. I like to really make sure I enter trades if the trade come into my specific zone. Okay, that's the way how I trade. All right, but some traders they very very aggressive. They just enter. It's nothing bad. Huh? I'm not talking bad about those kind of traders. Okay, they're very brave. Because like I said, trading is a Rubik's cube concept. There's so many combinations that we can do to solve a Rubik's cube. All right. So regardless what combination you use, what combination I use, eventually we all can reach the same destination, which means we can solve the entire Rubik's cube. All right. That's the goal, right, for Rubik's cube, right? Yeah. So trading also same thing. If you want to be aggressive trader, fine. If you want to be a more conservative trader like myself, also fine. There's no right or wrong. But the most important thing is protecting your capital. That is key. Okay, no matter what you do, capital is king, guys. If you don't protect your capital, you cannot trade anymore. So why you don't want to protect your capital? Okay, missing out a trade is fine. It is okay because I always mention this. Every single day there is trading opportunities. New ones will come. Like you see this one. Huh? This sell opportunity, you see how amazing if we can capture that, all right? Like I said, aggressive trader, the moment they're able to identify this, they won't wait for anything. But who knows? Like I said, this section here, there was mitigation, okay? If they were to enter this, look, see how amazing this trade. 5 hour trade, guys. And this is just for today, by the way. Look at this one. London, if I was smart enough to use my bigger time frame bias, which unfortunately I wasn't today, all right? Let's say you're an aggressive trader, okay, the moment the candle closes, look, another 4 hour trade today so far. Okay, potentially you may be seeing this also. So potentially maybe people can be holding up to here. Okay, so 7 hour trade. This is just today. Today alone, if you combine this, right, is over 10 hour already, more than 10 hour, the trade potential. So trading, don't worry, there's always opportunity. All right, just remember, don't chase price only. Let price come to you. Price will come. Okay, if price supposed to, how they say, react in a certain way, it will react in a certain way. Just remember that. All right. Okay, price is going down a bit. Let's see. Let's see. guys. Okay, price already came into mitigation. Okay, this is actually proper mitigation here based on my golden line lah. Okay, yeah. So actually means price already came into mitigation. So far price is respecting this zone. I just like to enter a little bit lower because price sometimes tend to go below mitigation. All right. So actually this would be a proper entry lah. If you enter here, actually it's totally fine. Okay. Look at it go. Look at it. Look at it go. Guys, I'm still holding, I'm still waiting because I saw in the smaller time frame there is still a fair value gap here, okay, where price potentially could be looking to I would say cover up first, like basically filling the gap first prior to us actually seeing any potential move up. But then I'm waiting to see, so if there are any signs of bulls in, then I will potentially enter as well. Okay, almost there already, so I'm holding my phone right now. guys, I've never realized I actually changed the color of my take profit thing. Hey, what was the color before? Huh? It was a nice color. Is it this? No, it's too dark. Alamak. What's it? What was it? Was it this? No, too light. Maybe it was this. Oh no, this is red. Sorry. What color was it? Maybe this not for. Can I just maintain this surface? Guys, we're seeing bulls, you know. Okay, so this is why I usually for mitigation I like to put it a little bit of a gap below lah. Okay, but still I'm curious about this zone here, but not necessarily I will go fill lah. But I'm seeing bulls here, so this is a good time for entry lah. Another thing to look out for is this. There's also a gap here. So we want to see price disrespects this zone. So far, price is respecting this zone, right? If price respects this zone, but eventually if we are moving up, right? So price will start to move down, fill up this gap here, and then potentially we will go to disrespect this zone. This can happen also. But we need to see if price disrespect this zone, then potentially we are moving to the upside. Not necessarily we'll be covering up this other FVG that we can find at the bottom, guys. Okay, so far it looks like it's doing its job in disrespecting the zone there. Okay guys, price was disrespected that zone so far. It seems that way because it filled already and then the price closed above. Alright. So this shows that maybe this fair value gap won't be holding. So potentially we may not be seeing price go to the fair value gap below. Okay. But of course we're seeing this red push down right now. Okay. But so far I see like the fair value gap is already disrespected because it's already been filled and then the candle body has closed above it already. Alright. So let's just see, this potentially also this long candle down could just be a form of liquidity sweep also. All right. Of course, everything we just gotta wait and see. Patience is key, guys. Trading. Okay, patience is everything in trading. size already get filled up already. Okay, let's see now who is in power. Buyers or sellers, buyers or sellers. Okay, guys, the sellers are basically taking over. Okay, I really wanted to enter this trade already a moment when he come here, but then it got a little bit sketchy already the moment when we see price close below of this FVG. I had a feeling that once the price starts to come through here, right, by right price supposed to respect this zone. Okay, price when I see this close here, right, and price close below, and then I also drew this earlier. I drew this zone, okay, and then this was roughly the mitigation area. Okay, based on my mitigation area, all right, price actually closed below that zone also. So even though we noticed that buyers were actually present, okay, buyers were really present. Buyers memang was here lah, okay, that's why we saw this move up. But then when we see this one, right, getting disrespected, then that's why I got a bit hesitant already. I really almost pressed the button already for here. I was like, wow, this will be a very nice entry model already. Okay, so basically this one, they're moving towards the downside. Okay, this is also what I saw. Okay, this is the trendline liquidity that potentially is about to be taken out. Right, so this SMT is not valid anymore because it didn't really hold price. Okay, so let's re-evaluate and then let's see. Okay, so potentially, bigger time frame buyers. So what are we seeing? We are seeing after price reacts from this support level, okay, price went up, down, normal, okay, bullish market structure, right? Price went up, down, okay, normal. Right now, price move up, but then there's also a form of down movement and very strong, all right? To be honest, Okay, the price, right? Of course, we have to wait a bit further, and then, because to be honest, this could potentially just be taking on this liquidity zone here, and then we'll be potentially be moving up again. There's also chances for that. That's why we always have to wait, and then we have to read, and we have to see what is price respecting, what is price disrespecting. Now, this would have been a very nice entry. To be honest, this would have been very nice. Okay, unfortunately, you didn't. That's why your thumb, when you want to press the buy or sell, you guys have to be so strong to prevent. Okay, I really wanted to enter here. My God, really wanted to enter here. Okay, so then with this mitigation, disrespected. Okay, oh hold on, let me unlock this. This mitigation, disrespected, no longer valid. This fair value gap has been filled. Okay, this fair value gap has been filled and disrespected. Okay, so basically this trade is not a valid one. All of the mitigation areas have been disrespected. Okay, so now let me just see this, guys. One moment. Okay, even in our bigger time frame bias, right? Okay, bigger time frame bias also. This is the liquidity that price has taken out. Okay, let me remove this. Oh, not here. Sorry, guys. This one here. Okay, so this is basically our hourly liquidity. The M15 was no longer valid, H1 also no longer valid. The H1 actually just wanted to explain to you guys the reason why actually I lost today. Alright, one more. Okay, so this one has been taken out. Right now we're seeing a nice rejection. Okay guys, so you see, I will be ending the live shortly because it's already 1 hour plus already. Okay, it's already 11 o'clock also. But just to share this with you guys, you see, right now price already taking on the H1 liquidity. Alright, we still have these TP targets. They are not considered not valid anymore. There's no such thing. They are still considered as valid targets. Alright, we just have to wait and see for the reactions that we want to look at. Okay, if we are seeing buyers now coming present, okay, you guys can aim for these areas, okay, to pick up the TP ranges. All right, if we are seeing sellers present means, okay, based on this liquidity, channel liquidity lah, okay, but this has been taken out already. Okay, this one also has been taken out. Okay, see, all of this channel liquidity already been taken out. We just spoke about it. So on top, hold on, let me write. PDT. Alright. Okay, of course, this is 19 is not channel liquidity. Alright. Okay, this is the channel liquidity. I just draw again. This is the channel liquidity. Alright. And all of these liquidity ranges has been taken out. So now bear in mind, alright. Bear in mind because bears don't need to get out. Channel liquidity has been taken out. H1 liquidity has been taken out. We are seeing a form of rejection right now. Alright, and for this 5-minute candle right now, in 1 minute time it will close. Okay, of course, just one candle is not enough. We have to see how the reaction is lah. Okay, if we are seeing a strong reaction towards the upside, these targets are still valid, guys. Okay, these targets are still valid. Alright, they won't go away. There are still liquidity areas that eventually price will go to, but we just want to know when. Alright, so based on now means I'm seeing a rejection lah. Okay, especially after price has been taken out the liquidity and also the channel liquidity. So two type of liquidity is already taken out. So right now you have a lot of funding power to move in whichever direction you want. It can be up or it can be down. Alright, and also to note, there is a fair value gap in this section here. Okay, for those that don't know or maybe could be confused of what fair value gap actually is, I actually posted a video, okay, called episode 3, whereby I break down in detail of what fair value gap actually is, so that you guys can finally use that into your own daily trading strategy. Okay, very easy to understand. I make it as simple as possible and straight to the point. Within half an hour, you guys basically can teach people already, right? But I also launched episode 1 and 2 Okay, they all actually combine lah. I will highly recommend that you guys watch episode 1, 2, and 3 because all of these things that I teach are in specific order because they will eventually become a very powerful trading strategy. Alright? They are all available on my YouTube page. So you guys can just find it like episode 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Basically, I'm simplifying SMC. So right now, I just leave my last prediction before we end the live session today, okay? Trendline liquidity has been taken out by the bears. H1 liquidity has been taken out. We are seeing a strong form of rejection, which is always what we like to see. Alright, you see? This one also actually means in H1, this section lah. Hold on. See, strong form of rejections. Alright? When strong form rejection happens, potentially we will be seeing a move either to the upside or downside, depending which area or which direction the rejection actually happened. Alright? So now we have a fair value gap here. You have to see what? We have to see this get respected or disrespected. Disrespected. Okay, we don't want to see this get respected if we are looking to buy. Okay, if you are looking to sell, basically you want to see this get respected. Okay, filled, ideally filled, respected, and then it potentially go lower. If it goes lower, you guys can aim for this liquidity here. There's a liquidity range here. Alright, which has not been taken out. Basically, this is London low. Okay, if we get disrespected, New York session is basically going to go and hunt London low. Alright, if on the other hand, this area, okay, goes up, okay, hold on, area gets disrespected, okay, potentially you will be looking to aim for our initial targets. Alright, not necessarily all of them will be taken out, okay. This is just a prediction, alright? But now we just have to see New York session 1 to hunt for Asia high or London's low, okay, depending on who is in control. So right now we are seeing what? We are seeing forms of bulls in control, right? So far, but remember, don't forget, price always tells you what is in the way. Wait and see if this gets disrespected or not, okay? Find our mitigation area. I will be posting this also inside our Discord community later on. Okay, if you guys haven't joined yet, please do join. Okay, I will share it there so that you guys can actually go through and understand and see which ways potentially we could be entering the market. Okay, I hope this video was insightful in terms of how I day-to-day basis basically just sit and watch lah. Today, never really managed to take any trades lah, except the lost one lah, the lost one that happened. The winning one actually I never managed to get a chance to take in today. Okay, I thought this now would be a nice buy opportunity, but it wasn't. It went down. All right, but now we are seeing something else. Let's wait and see. We never know. Okay, we never really know. That's the best part about trading. You never know. Okay, guys. If that will be all, thank you so much for joining today's live session. Okay, I hope it was insightful as it was for you, as it was for me. All right, have a wonderful day. I will see you all in tomorrow's live session. Take care, stay safe, be patient, and happy trading, guys. Bye bye.